Hello there, and welcome to episode 10 of my Vietnam vlog series. Today I'll be in Mekong Delta in the south of Vietnam. So after spending a night in Ho Chi Minh City, I took a day trip down to Mekong Delta. My first stop was to a coconut farm in Bến Tre, where they use every aspect of the coconuts to make products such as bricks, candies and more. Oh, it's crossing a bridge in Vietnam as you do. Just come out of a brick factory where they make bricks. They get all these coconuts and they put it in a big kiln, and that means cooking, so cooking the clay. They get the clay from the river, that's why the bricks are red. And yeah, they're quite cheap here. You can buy 20 bricks for $1. All these fun facts that I've just learned exploring Southeast Asia, as you do. Look, there's another kiln. And the bricks stay in there for about 2 weeks before they're ready to pop out and build you a house. I feel like I'm in someone's house, although this is a factory. A lot of people are staring.
Like a black snow angel.
Can I die from inhaling this?
Probably, but for the ground.
No. I think there's limits. Yeah, forget that. In Mekong Delta, this is all the ash from the burning of things. Sugar. It's a kiln. They bake the bricks. They use the coconuts here to start the fires.
Right over there. Can you see it look like a guitar string? We use this one to cut. Can you see that?
Okay.
We use to cut the brick.
These bricks are waiting to be turned this colour. They stay here for about 2 weeks and get dried in the sun and rotated until they're a nice ready colour, and then they go in the oven for cooking. Alright, finished learning about how to make bricks. I'm now about to get on a boat. No idea where I'm going, but you know, it's all part of the fun. More bricks. It's got a complimentary coconut. After a relaxing boat ride down the Mekong Delta River, we stopped off for a bike ride. I was gonna smack you. Imagine this hits me and I drop. This is hard. It's hot and it's hard.
Yeah, that's the exercise.
My bum hurts. Beautiful views. Oh wait, I forgot. I don't know where I'm going. I'm following you. The ground is very, very slippery, and I keep getting whacked in the face with coconut leaves. Little Paris. I forgot my chest harness, so I can't even ride the bike with 2 hands. This is quite dangerous. So beautiful here. People in Vietnam will carry pretty much anything on a motorbike. Annoyingly, I didn't check the position of my camera, so unfortunately my backpack is centre stage for all of this footage. So I present to you the adventures of Black Backpack. banana trees. Looking back, I think I'm actually riding this bike quite fast. Look how quickly the trees are just disappearing behind me. I don't know this song.
In the Vietnamese language.
How much longer? Woo. Oh. Okay. Alright, I'm braking. I'm braking. Thank you.
Okay, you just leave your bike in here.
Okay.
Let's go in here.
Oh.
You want to go to the happy room?
Yes, please.
Go straight ahead there, follow the path.
Yep.
Right inside you see the building.
Thank you.
And then you see, take it up. I'm not really a professional on this one. So that I cannot make 1,000 pieces a day. No.
Yeah.
Just about 100. Right? You see? It's easy.
No.
No?
No.
Today machine. Put inside here 2 brushes. And can you see that? That's the coconut milk. It comes outside right over there. Can you see that?
What's
Thick.
Yeah. We mix coconut milk with sugar or brown sugar, sometimes caramel and malt. And we cook in around 4 hours.
He's gonna sit here for 4 hours.
Sorry.
He will sit here for 4 hours.
No.
Oh.
We just only cook it, but maybe
Okay.
it's around 13 or 45 minutes. He come here and try to roast it right over here. And also,
I'll use that for the fire.
let's see the shell of the coconut for burning. Can you see that? Coconut is very useful. And even when you take a look on the roof of the house,
Oh.
it made from the leaf, but not the normal coconut. It's made from the leaf of water coconut right over there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that.
People selling
Don't
stuff like
take
this.
this personal.
They're selling in the local market and also in the supermarket.
It's
inside.
actually rice paper, so you can eat it. Is that
No, of course. But they see the real snake.
a real snake? Oh, and what's it
What
making?
type of snake?
Oh
Cobra.
my god.
Cobra.
Smaller.
That's crazy. I'm drinking snake juice.
Ooh.
It's strong.
Ah! Some jackfruit,
Get some tea, mate.
some lychee,
Hey, get some tea.
some. Thank you. Oh, damn. Rambutan, watermelon, Logans, and some beautiful jasmine tea. Longans.
Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it,
Currently in a boat in Mekong Delta. As you can see, torrential conditions. I crashed. It's fun though. There's lots of trees. These are water coconuts. And someone's cutting them down because you can actually use these leaves to build the roof of your house. And it will last for 3 years. I can see a pole coming. Smooth. See, someone's cutting down the tree, so I'm using all my strength to push us through this very difficult time. Oh, and we're off again. Oh, this is why I go to gym about twice a year. Gives me the arm strength. Look at that. Wow. Oh, okay, I'm gonna stop because clearly my strength is just too much for this little wooden boat. Is this shallow water? That's quite deep. Yeah, literally.
Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Murky water.
There might be some fish. A bright fish.
Oh, where really? We can't see.
Yeah. Mind your head. Oh no, that is solid. Like, that is solid. It's like a rock. You get hit with that.
Yeah, I mean, depends how fast.
How low can you go? How low can you go? It's absolutely beautiful. I feel relaxed. Hungry, but relaxed. It's like being in the jungle.
We're in a place that may or may not be a jungle.
Yeah, pretty much. It's floating down the river. It's tranquil, majestic, and peaceful. All rolled into a ball of happiness. It legit looks like something out of a movie, I can't even lie to you. So nice not to see any concrete buildings. Just tree trunks and water.
Water, plants and vibes.
Yeah, water, plants and vibes. Push back. Ugh. Am I going forward or backwards?
You push like that way so that we can...
Can't you just use your butt and swivel? Ooh. So I don't have any walls, just using, you know, the trees to kind of push us into the right direction. It's quite fun. Made it out of the jungle. This is very, very slippery. Oh look, that's a butterfly, so he's I can hear a lot of dogs and I'm hoping they're friendly. Big butterfly. Crocodile! Oh, whoa. It's gonna attack. Cinch out.
Now relax.
Having a nice scenic walk after my boat ride. I'm in Bhutan. It's very pretty. Lots of water, lots of greenery. I'm on the way to lunch because I am hungry. I actually don't have any footage of lunch because I fell asleep in that hammock. Later on that day, I headed back to Ho Chi Minh City, aka Saigon, where I went out for dinner. There were some interesting buildings along the way, and I went to eat at a place called The Secret Garden. So it's not this place, but it's up about 1,000 stairs. It looks like an apartment building, like it's very inconspicuous, but great views of the city. Thanks for watching and catch me in the next one. I'll be at the Coochie Tunnels. Don't forget to subscribe.
You ain't no cheese.